Hey! Smile kayo guys! I'm not taking picture, I'm videoing, I'm vlogging.
She's
I can't vlog.
You don't get a straw? Oh, you're getting your apple spritz. That's
Ayan. Second to the last day of filming of me and my main character and the assistant director. Y'all ever see a clown car? This is a clown car.
paano ba tabular yung ginawa?
Guys, ilan tayo sa kotse right now?
I don't know.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 7 people in a 4-seater car. This, I think this might be illegal.
Pipe daw.
Na-flatan si Ano lubog?
Five,
mo sa side na to, ate.
ano siya?
Tagilid daw.
5-seater siya, pero yung isa nasa trunk.
I-add ko yan, yung diet. Kasi akala ko actually Indonesian song yan eh. So, yun, no? So, April.
Katuwan. Katutu. Katuwan. Katutu. Katuwan. Katutu. Katufor. Ready to dissolve to 3. Ah, no, sorry. What?
Needing some medical attention.
That's Pause. Pause needs to take care of him.
Or you want me to put your ballet?
Goodie.
To watch and have a safe and fun environment, okay? And again, if anyone is not feeling okay, kindly raise your hand.
You're not nice. Kind of evil.
Pagkalambing-lambing ng iyong mga mata, hayop kong tumingin. Itong magala, pagkagaling-galing ng iyong sumpang walang awat sa atin. Guys, sabay! Oh, kay bilis na
What word you gonna make? Pop. Bold word for you. Shut up.
Along with a cash prize of 1 million pesos. Piang earned the highest public vote of 36.6%, surpassing the runner-up Grace Salmar, who garnered 26.5%.
Axel.
What?
I'm trying to make a video.
But that's what I would do.
Does it look the same?
No matter, I'll be getting them all
This
in
one
there.
looks more like tortillas though. They're more round.
It only serves me right. I won't go slowly. She said, won't you call me one more time? God forbid that I romanticize this. God forbid that I romanticize this. God forbid that I romanticize this. It's the same old story. When you start to lie and you push against me to delay my
Hindi ko siya ready.
Pakailangan ko yun. Kailangan
Kaya
ko
isang
pera.
image na. Same.
Piliin na. Isa-scam lang kita. Sige na.
Crazy.
Sige na.
Iko-ghost lang kita.
Pinipili.
Guys, Alex, trial lang to. 300 pesos a month.
Kasi nakaano siya eh.
Screenshot mo.
For sure, madam, makakakita ka dito ng isang milyon.
Yes, hot singles in the Bacoor area.
Crazy.
Iyan ako na lang kasi simplify ko. Ang lahat ng nasa emotion ay totoo.
Yung shadow.
Lahat ng nasa emotion ay totoo. Hindi yan
Po!
Sa playback.
Teka lang.
in front of me. I could find a way to who I'm meant to be. Ano ba? Yung bakit yung ngayon eh, naman na yung core? Diba?
Tayo lang. Hindi lang kung may tama sa mukha.
It's the lighting is giving bisexual.
Beginning to look a lot like Chris.
Ayun na, naka-video na yan. Naka-video.
Para
Anong masasabi mo? Thank you kay Direk. Thank you sa magulang ko.
hindi silang tiwala, pre. Kabado sila kanina, pre. Grabe.
Hindi, alam ko na from the start, 4 tayo.
The best MVP, si
I never
Kuya
thought
AJ.
Para tayong bronze, tapos si Kuya AJ, radiant. Thank you, guys. Ako una pa lang sinabi ko na, hindi, 4 yan, guys.
Kinabahan sila, guys, ng pagpasok. Wala, guys. Guys,
Kinabahan, pero tagaytay! Kaya, guys, galing.
Pinifilm ko kayo.
Putang ina mo, yun yun, ano.
Naka-stereo naman lahat pag pinanood ka.
At least maglalapag kasi magkatid sa'yo.
Pero niyo pinanood. I mean, doon mo, render mo na. Ano? Pag in-upload mo, meron kasi. my shirts, Chris.
Yeah.
This one here, this is a new one. But the other one had an extra leg right here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So I got 3 of these with the extra leg.
Mom. It's
Marvin?
a video. It's a video.
That one guy looked like he had a bunch to drink. He was kind of walking like alert. But I've got, I think, 2 or 3 plastic ones. Pretty good size ones.
Your what?
Your mom.